Where was the conversation at before and where do you want it to go? Like if you had magic dust you could sprinkle over it, if you could wave a wand and have it go from here to here, and I know your thing is closed sale, but based on what they know right now, where would you like what would you like the next step to be?
Oh, yeah. And basically to monetize it in your process, right? Is like, I've showed you this, but I didn't get to know enough about like where you're at monetarily as a business and where you want to go kind of thing. So yeah. I need to figure that out.
So now, first thing is just realize that you weren't doing it before and incorporate it. This is why I want everybody, this is why I want us to slow down in the beginning, because we can speed up the result in the end. When you when Jake slows down in the beginning and figures out why the hell do I want to scrape this house in the first place and build the new thing, now Jake can, even if I turn him away completely, he can say, hey, I will be here when you need to have a brand new piece of property, but on that land that, you know, your father-in-law built their first house there in Utah back in 1979. So you guys have the memories and you can have your third generation skiing out of that house. Fair enough, right? He understands because he took the time to monetize it. How you can get back to that is just call them and say, you know, hey, I was thinking about you guys today, and I've had several, you know, conversations with other clients, and there is something going on. It really feels like there's a shift going on in the market. I want to go back to our conversation before, and I've got a couple things I'd love to get your opinion on. And then when they call you back, now you have a chance to use your time travel technique and go, you know, I want to go back to our conversation before. I was trying to find, I wrote down some notes. I was trying to find where my notes were. Remind me again, where are you guys at in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be? Right? And then now you're right back into your monetization. I have the time travel technique from eastonuniversity.com is just saying this phrase. Hey, Jake, I wanted to go, and you can do this in the same meeting even. I wanted to go back to something you had said earlier, right? Or I want to go back to our conversation from before. And if you want to say, I had taken some notes, I can't seem to find them. I thought I had a general idea, but I want to make sure I'm not mixing you up with somebody else. Remind me again. And now that gives you the opportunity to go into those current situation questions. What's your biggest reason for blank? When you say blank, can you give me a specific example? How much is that costing you? Where's the, you know, all of that stuff that's in the monetization course?
That's great. Thank you.
Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.